Stock alerts ticker. $CMBM entry. $2.44 change. 294.82% volume. 968.7 AVG reason. Cambium Networks. CMBM. Is surging due to its integration with Starlink. Announced in an 8K filing, target 1 to 3.29, target 2 to 3.72, target 3 to 4.14, stop loss 2.23 ticker. $PPBT entry. $1.08 change. 85.07% volume. 141.3 AVG reason. Purple Biotech stock is surging today due to a manufacturing milestone for its IM1240 antibody. Target 1 to 1.39, target 2 to 1.55, target 3 to 1.7, stop loss 1.0 ticker. $FGL entry. 67 cents change. 48.18% volume. 17.1 AVG reason. FGL stock is surging due to news of a significant RM1, target 1 to 0.8, target 2 to 0.87, target 3 to 0.94. Stop loss 0.63 ticker. VSee entry. $1.42 change. 33.57% volume. 3.8 AVG reason. VSee stock is surging due to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services FedRAMP High Auto Award. Target 1 to 1.61, target 2 to 1.71, target 3 to 1.8, stop loss 1.37 ticker. PFSA entry. 38 cents change. 31.28% volume. 13.4 AVG reason. Profusa's stock is likely moving due to news of manufacturing completion and projected product shipments revenue in early 2026, target 1 to 0.41, target 2 to 0.43, target 3 to 0.45, stop loss 0.37.